Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to write a program that will find the smallest element in an array. Here we are going to use pointer to do that. Okay, now let's go ahead and declare some variables and array. Integer, first I am declaring an array and this can store 10 numbers. Okay, and the next thing is we are going to declare a variable I and also n. First we are going to give a prompt to the user to enter 10 values, 10 numbers. Let's put enter 10 values, and the user is going to enter 10 values. To get the input from the user we have to use a scanf statement, but here it's 10 values. Whenever we have like 10 more than one values we have to use a loop. Here I'm going to use for loop. In this for loop, I is equal to, I initialize I with 0, and then the condition is I is less than or equal to 9. It has to run 10 times, so 0 to 9 is 10 times. And then we do the increment by 1, I plus plus. And to get the input from the user, we have to use a scanf statement. Inside of this for loop, I put a scanf statement, and all the number the user enter is going to be integer type of variable. So %d for that. And whatever the value the user enter should be stored in the array. So we put array I. Okay, now we are getting all the input. Now I set a pointer right here, n pointer n is equal to pointer array, n is equal to pointer array, and then I am going to create another for loop. In this for loop we are going to compare, like we are going to create an if statement, and we are going to compare the smallest number with an array plus I, and then we find out the final smallest number and we are going to print that one out. To do that, first let's go ahead and create the for loop. The for loop is going to be same as this one because this would also run 10 times. Let's copy and paste it right here. Okay, now inside of this for loop we are going to create an if statement, and in this if statement we are going to put pointer array plus I. If this is less than n, then we have to replace n with pointer array plus I. This is just for comparing and replacement. Like it's going to compare all the numbers with n, and if the value is n less than n, then the n will be replaced with this pointer array plus I. In that way finally we will end up with the smallest number. Okay, and finally we are going to print out the smallest number. Printf \n smallest element in array %d, and this should come from n. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Enter 10 values. Let's go ahead and enter 10 values. Let's put some random values. Okay, it's finding out the smallest element in array is 6. Okay, and you can do this for as many numbers as you want. If you like, all you have to do is change the array values and change the looping values, and you can design for any amount of number. Okay, let's go ahead and try some different numbers. Okay, 10 numbers. Let me erase this. Okay, I cannot. Because I put something like this, it's giving error. Let me put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now 1 is the smallest number. Okay, that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming. There are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my Blogger. I put the link of my Blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.